am Marshall Anderson. For the Pantry Pride Contest, you are given a list of foods that are commonly found at a food bank. As a 4-H, as a senior 4-H'er, I had to use at least 3 items from the list of foods. The food items are usually canned foods, but you can also find some fresh vegetables and fruit. With Pantry Pride, you have a time limit and you have to keep costs down. Okay, how I come up with my 2019 Pantry Pride recipe. One day I was visiting with my grandparents and my granddad made some stuffed bell peppers that I really enjoyed. I asked him for his recipe and it was pretty simple. Not long after that, I had to turn in the recipe for the Pantry Pride Contest. I remember thinking, how could I turn my granddad's recipe into one I could use for the Pantry Pride? When thinking about a Pantry Pride recipe, you also need to think about my plate. My recipe is chicken pepper bake. Medium bell pepper diced, 8 ounces of Uncle Ben's ready rice, Spanish style, 5 ounces of canned chunk chicken, breast and drained, 15 ounces of black eyed peas, drained, 4 ounces of cheddar cheese grated, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. The bell peppers would be my vegetables, but with the time limit, I knew I couldn't do a whole bell pepper, so I diced it to dice it and pre-cook it. Protein would be my canned chicken and my canned black eyed peas. Grains would be the rice. I chose to pre-cook rice for time. Dairy would be my cheddar cheese. All the ingredients in my recipe were on the food list except cheese and olive oil. Thank you and good luck.